Hi guys, Andrew with RCBS here. Today we're talking about the RCBS UPM-3 Competition Powder Measure.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
So right out of the box, we have a powder hopper, a baffle, a cap, the UPM-3 casting, a metering cylinder, a lock ring to mount to your dispensing mounting position. We have two different nozzles. We've got a quick drain feature, and the most important part is the Matchmaster metering screw. To assemble, we're going to simply take the baffle and we're going to insert it point up into our powder hopper. We'll put the cap on there and we're going to take the UPM-3 casting and thread on the powder hopper. The neat thing with this metering cylinder, it's mounted ambidextrously. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to mount it to the right. Next, I'm going to mount the handle. Now, we're going to install the Matchmaster metering screw, which gets retained with this lock screw. Lastly, we're going to select a nozzle that's best suited for the caliber we're loading. And that's the UPM-3 Comp assembled. Next, we're going to add it to our stand. With the included hex lock screw, you're ready to reload. The UPM-3 Comp has a threaded powder hopper, and the included baffle helps powder of any type flow through the measure. Now we're going to empty the RCBS UPM-3 Comp. Empty whatever charge you have in that handle. While holding the handle in the dispensed position, remove the locking screw, remove the measure, install the provided drain tube, re-secure, and empty your container. And as you can see, majority of the powder was quickly drained. The UPM-3 Comp is the highest quality mechanical powder measure. You can throw any type of powder, flake, ball, or extruded, and dispense from half a grain to 100 grains. And with the Matchmaster micro adjust screw and its laser etched settings, you can get repeatable results right at your fingertips. If you have any questions about any product you've seen in this video, comment below. For everything else and more, go visit us over at rcbs.com. We'll see you next time.